Good morning, everybody. So as you can see, I have a mask on my face. I had a terrible breakout and I'm just trying to manage the acne. I'm gonna get on here a little later today and share with you 4 products that have actually been really beneficial for my skin. I've completed my cleansing routine, and although you cannot see this, my skin feels amazing. It feels deeply hydrated and calm and soothed. So what I'm going to do now is use this Neutrogena brand Radiant Cream Concealer to conceal some of the most obvious acne spots and scarring, also kind of even out the redness and conceal under my eyes and my eyelids, put some lip gloss on and mascara, and go about my business. Let's get into the 4 products that I've been using on my super sensitive, acne-prone, mature skin. The first thing that I want to talk about is my facial cleanser. This is by the brand Biossance, and it is their squalene and elderberry jelly cleanser. Comes in a tube like this. This retails for about $28 at Sephora. The elderberry extract is an antioxidant that protects against free radicals and environmental stressors. The squalene, which is derived from sugarcane, mimics the body's natural hydrating oils to provide a weightless moisture. And lastly, it has something called a prebiotic complex, which allows the skin's beneficial microflora to flourish. This cleanser is so gentle that when I put it on my skin, it almost feels like I put on a moisturizer. I'm used to using sensitive skin cleansers that when I put it on my face, I feel a burning, especially up near the eye area, even if it says it's supposed to remove all of your makeup. And then even after rinsing my face with tepid or cold water, my skin feels so tight and irritated that I feel like I have to hurry up and put a moisturizer on. This does none of that. This is like the best thing that I found. And I've always been really reluctant to pay a lot of money for my skin cleanser, but now I understand why some are better and cost more than others. This is definitely worth the money. The next product that I want to talk to you about is the skin toner that I've been using. Now, I've actually spent a lot of money on toners, but this time around I've spent very little. This retails for $8. This is the ELF or the ELF brand toner, and it is called Keep Your Balance Toner. It has aloe, which is soothing to the skin. It has witch hazel, which is anti-inflammatory, cleansing and toning, but it's also very gentle. And lastly, it has hyaluronic acid in it, which keeps the skin hydrated and plump, and it helps reduce the appearance of fine lines. I use this day and night, and it leaves my skin feeling wonderful. This next product is the one that is the most shocking to me because it is not oil-free, it is not water-based, it is not a gel, it is not lightweight, it is a thick cream, or maybe I should say a rich cream, and it is by the brand Dr. Jart, and it is Ceramidin. This small little tube retails for $48, so it ain't cheap. It's an everyday cream, and that it has 5 ceramides to lock in moisture, to strengthen the skin's moisture barrier, and to prevent water loss. They say it is for all skin types, especially rough, dry, itchy skin. I definitely fall into all of those categories. So the ceramides are lipids that are naturally found in the skin and make up the skin's moisture barrier. The moisture barrier is the layer that locks the moisture into the skin and keeps irritants out. This has not irritated my skin. As a matter of fact, it makes my skin feel so calm and soothed, and just it doesn't feel greasy. This last product is probably going to have a few of you asking, do I really need it? And I feel like it really is helping me. It is a can of water, but not just any can of water. This is thermal spring water, and it's by the brand Avin or Avin. I'm not sure how to say that. I did not do well in French. This retails for about $18.50. I got this at Ulta. Yes, it has helped my skin tremendously. Why? I'm a hot flasher. I sweat constantly throughout the day. I spray myself with this water Oh, and I've already told you guys, my own sweat irritates my skin. I mean, I'm not even kidding. It irritates it so bad that I like want to rip it off. So I spritz it with this water and it feels 100 times better. Natural pH of this water reduces sensitivity and restores the skin's balance and restores the skin's barrier. So yeah, this has really been helping me along. And then not only that, it just helps me with my hot flashes, which I feel like I'm about to have one now. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys at my next video. Whew, it's time for a spray.